Meanwhile, with 4 persons murdered in St. James in the past 24 hours, the Peace Management Initiative, the PMI, says it is now being stretched thin as it tries to quell disputes and possible reprisal killings across the parish. The police, the PMI and the Victims Services Division of the Justice Ministry visited the Barrett Hall community where 3 of the 4 were killed to offer grief counseling. But even as they offer help, questions this evening about the effectiveness of the program as a preventative measure.
Cops and PMI representatives walk through the Barrett Town community. Words of prayer with relatives of the victims. It's sadly all too familiar for the residents as the team visited the community in February following a shooting. PMI social worker Maxine Matheson says the increase in murders is making their job harder.
Because right now they are angry, so they are not even really listening to what you are saying. But after there is calm, we can come and we and them can speak more freely.
She says it's a similar situation in several other communities in the parish, and so in recent times, her team has had to work with other agencies to try to prevent reprisals and ease tensions after multiple murders.
We have the Violence Interruption Program, which is happening. We have VIs in Salt Spring, so we are there monitoring Salt Spring. We are having issue now in Mount Salem. We also have VIs in Mount Salem and Lilliput. Other day Lilliput was on the calm, but we noticed it has started up again. We have violence interrupters also in Lilliput who is monitoring the area, the communities.
The PMI is still stretched right now.
Very, very much.
But with this being the second such incident here in recent months and the second walkthrough with grief counseling, do these PMI programs really work?
It's not that the programs don't work. It's just that individuals within situations, they are just not learning how to handle or manage a conflict when it occurs. And so a simple situation wherein disagreement can really cause many persons within a small circle to have lost their lives. And so, yes, the programs are working, because if it was not working, then it would have been much worse than what it is right now.
The community walkthrough also included the church, justices of the peace, as well as the councillor and councillor caretaker. The police say they will continue their investigations, but are again asking for the residents' help.
If all of us come together with a sense of collective good, then we will succeed.
Herman Green, TVJ News.